working with bibliometric analysis, and have a COL file from Bibexcel. These contain citation analysis data. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through these Bibexcel data files. Consider this the advanced section. For those with critical COL data, I have an expert-level solution waiting. First, the simple methods. COL files are data files used by Bibexcel, a bibliometric analysis software for citation analysis and bibliographic research. They contain structured citation data, author affiliations, co-citation networks, and bibliometric metrics extracted from scientific literature databases for research impact analysis and scientific mapping. Bibexcel COL files use a structured text format storing tab-delimited or column-formatted bibliometric data. The format includes records for citations, authors' journals, keywords, and other bibliographic elements, organized for Bibexcel's analytical operations, including frequency analysis, co-citation analysis, and bibliographic coupling. For the COL file type, Bibexcel from open source is a trusted and reliable source. The complex compression ratio is not supported by standard Windows decompression tools. Windows can detect the file, but not its meaning, so proper reading requires the associated program. Your first move is to test all possible decoders. Right-click your COL file and choose Open With. Use Bibexcel if it is installed. If it's missing, select another program. Testing is the quickest diagnostic method. If the COL file is still giving you trouble, relax. Since the software rejected the file, we need to find the root cause. Here are the 3 essential steps we will take right now to isolate the problem. First, opening in Bibexcel. Download Bibexcel from homepage, univ.ac.at/juon, Goraz, Bibexcel, and launch the application. Use the File menu to open the COL file. Bibexcel loads the bibliometric data, displaying it in column format, ready for analysis using the application's various bibliometric processing operations. Next, inspecting in Spreadsheet apps. Open the COL file in Microsoft Excel, LibreOffice, Calc, or Google Sheets. Since the format is typically tab or column delimited text, the data displays in spreadsheet rows and columns, enabling manual review filtering and basic analysis without requiring Bibexcel for examining the bibliometric content. Finally, importing to R or Python. For advanced bibliometric analysis, import COL files into R using Bibliometrics package or Python, with bibliometric libraries like PyBibTeX. These tools provide powerful analytical capabilities, including network analysis, visualization, and statistical methods extending beyond Bibexcel's built-in functionality for academic research workflows. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.